Hello, welcome to the Forge. So the Forge is all the place where we have all the equipment. You can make all your own stuff. It has everything from like 3D printers to laser cutters. We even got like power tools and spare parts for you to work on your personal projects. And it's just a good place to hang out too. So, let's enter. Right. So, this is the Forge. So we do have a couple rules though. A couple rules and guidelines to make sure everybody's safe. We do have, since I did mention power tools, you gotta make sure everybody's safe, priority. And there may be something, like if you use the laser cutter, maybe some material might burn, so you might smell something that's burning. But just primarily make sure everybody follows the rules and people understand all the hazards that come with working in the Forge. So send this registration. Okay. So this is the room. This is the room. So let's start over with 3D printers, which I would say is our most popular attraction for this room. So we have a whole bunch of different 3D printers set up right here. Mainly log into this computer. You could either plug in your USB stick, or you could create a model right on here, upload it, then upload the file to the computer, and boom, upload it to the printer, and you're done. Just make sure you have your filament set in, and we're all good. We also have two more custom 3D printers over there. There's the Ultimaker, and then there's a bigger version of these ones. And then that will be for your bigger builds. And there's one tiny one in the back that's highly specialized. But the thing about this one that's really special is that it's pretty fast. Pretty fast. And the thing with 3D printers, one thing is that all of our wasted material, or all our scrap material, goes in this recycling bin. We take all of this recycled material, parts that we don't need anymore, and we put it all the way over here. This is our reclaimer. This, essentially, you put in any of our spare unused material, put it through the shredder, turn it on, and boom, you get little tiny shreds of 3D printed material. Usually you have to put this through like 2 or 3 times so you get like a really fine grain for the material. And that will help it with this right here, which is our extruder. You put all of the little bits in here and it melts it. Then you get a little string and you can reclaim it. So now we actually have excess material that we can get again. And you just put this back in the machine, rock it. So that's for the 3D printers. Next up, we have our laser printer right here. So what you could do with the laser printer is you could put any kind of material in there. It could be anything from like paper to wood, cardboard. But what you could do is you could upload an image, or you could draw something on here. The laser printer has a little camera inside, so you'll see exactly where the images are going to be cut. But to do, you can set a whole bunch of different settings. You can either make an engraving, or you can actually make a cut through, so you can actually make shapes. But this is our laser printer. It's free to use. It does have a little drill press right here. This is one of our newest additions, and you could use this to carve into the wood. So anything from like, well, we mainly use wood for this, but we have a custom controller right here that modifies where the drill is going to go, and you can make certain shapes to your liking. And coming to the back here, so this is our parts room, and this is where we store most of our power tools. So we have a whole bunch of shelves lined up here with all of our spare parts. We have a whole bunch of tools that you can borrow for the time being. Anything from like screwdrivers, tape, scissors. We even got a saw. And we have a lot of markers and then just handheld tools in this corner. We do have some power tools, being the sand belt, the drill press, and we have a table saw. And most of this bottom area is storage for either the classes or the clubs, so we usually don't touch this. And one more thing is the outside. So this is our outside workstation. We have a couple different things out here. This is mainly used as an extra workspace, either where people could just come outside to work here, or if we need the outside space. Let's say we're working with, let's say like spray cans or something, or painting something. Then we would need to be outside where it's well ventilated. So we have a couple past projects around here. For example, right here we use, this is a boat that the engineering club designed for the Solo Boat Regatta. And we have a couple storage units over here. We have a shed in this corner and then a small little cabinet in that other corner. And yeah, that's pretty much it.